Hop into the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. Go big or go home. Here's a full-size Navigator, the luxury three-row SUV that's designed for grand adventuring. From its superior craftsmanship to its burly towing capacity to its smooth, responsive handling, this vehicle has what it takes to build priceless road trip memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated rear seat, four-wheel drive. Be an overachiever. Get behind the wheel of this superlative Navigator and let the adventure begin. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.